Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video for tonight, I wanted to begin with what continues to be one of the biggest macro themes that is out there right now, and that's the movement in the US dollar. So, pretty sharp reversal from what you saw Thursday into the employment data. So, Thursday afternoon's close leads into Friday, where the dollar just really gave this very sharp about face, closes down into the lower end of the recent range. And I believe this is what you can key off of, I think, for movement down into 108. So that's the target that I'm looking for, possibly. Again, I know that anything can happen, and in this kind of short dated, a little bit more volatile market, you have to be willing to really work with that phrase of strong convictions held loosely, which is to say, that is what I believe is going to happen, but I'm not stuck to it in a way that it makes you make trading mistakes. But do watch for that, and if you can see the dollar begin to show some weakness, I think then you may see XLY start to pick up a little bit of the slack here. Now, these are difficult setups to really tell you that this is what you need to be leaning into. More so, I think, again, it's just something to keep an eye on. And if the dollar can show some weakness, can the lows that we had from this summer in XLY end up being an area of support once again? Right? You can see the reversal up off of it here, testing down into this zone over the past 3 sessions, and then also showing you a strong daily squeeze. So I want to say again that if you're only looking at moving averages and the price below that, well, that's not very good. That could actually be construed as being bearish. But look at how the moving averages were back in here, right? Moving average is not necessarily everything, but down into this zone around 135 ends up being perceived as a discount, and the squeeze fires to the long side. So watch that. Also in relationship to Amazon. All of these are just on top of levels that kind of a geometric way that the market can come together. These are just important to watch. And I've been on this Amazon discussion for several days now. That is just the comparison of this decline in relationship to the decline that you have gone through here. So you'll notice that that 100% measured move takes you pretty much exactly where the past 3 days have been. You'll notice that that symmetry is accompanied by the external retracement of swing low to swing high. And here you see the 1272 extension. So this is how these prices begin to cluster, essentially showing you from 89.18 down into 88.94 is the zone to consider for support. That has been working for several days now, and if the dollar can soften up, XLY can find its bid, well then Amazon very well should be getting prepared to work its reversion to the mean. So those are just a few things that I'm carrying into Tuesday. I hope you find it a helpful addition to your analysis as we await the election and the inflation data due out later this week. So trade well, and I hope to see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.